Okay, this is today's homework, right? But right now I need, okay, this is today's homework. I'll do a couple and then load because it takes a long time if I record too long. So you'll see a lot of the videos. Make sure you do this on your IXL and Y.1 also. Okay? So solve the following equation. State if it's one solution, no solution, or infinite solution. Let's additive inverse first. Distribute 8x, distribute -8. Bring down the 4. 8x. Combine the like terms. These two are alike. 4 plus -8 is -4 plus 8x equals to 8x minus 2. Get rid of the variable first. 0, 0. -4 equals to -2. No solution, right? Okay. Make the following equation infinite solution. Infinite solution means everything is alike. Oops. Notice there's an x there in the back. Right there. That's supposed to be an x there. Okay, so let's make the x the same. So if I make it 4x, I need to put 4x here. If I want it 5x here, I need to put 5x on the other side. 6x, you know what I mean by that. So 7x, the coefficient needs to be the same. And this is at a -2, so this should be a -2 also. Infinite solution means everything is the same. And then we solve it by minusing the variable first. And we get -2 does not equal to -2. I mean equal to -2. This is infinite solution. So you choose whatever number x should be. But that -2 has to be there, okay? Okay. So here, let's see, redo the problem correctly, okay? Additive inverse. We would have combined these two together. We'd get -2 plus 3y equals to 2y plus -8. Okay, let's see if they got that anywhere. Oh no, they didn't. Look at that. That's wrong. Explain what was wrong. They should have added 6 plus -8. Not make 0. I still have kids that do this, guys. Never on the same side. Okay? And that was their mistake. All right, let's redo it correctly. Let's see. E minus 2y minus 2y right here. You see this? They did that. And they wrote the y. That's 1y plus a -2 equals to 8. And then add 2. It's on the side of the plus. That's the one you need to make 0. 1y equals to 10. Divide by 1. It doesn't change anything. So your answer is just y equals to 10. Okay? For the rate of change of each problem, find the rate of change. Okay, this word rate of change is y2 minus y1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, this is your first point, or this one, doesn't matter. I'll take the bottom one as my first point. X sub 1 is 80. Y sub 1 is 15. Does it have any meaning? No meaning. Okay. That's x sub 1, y sub 1. That's going to be my x sub 2, which is 60. X sub 2 and 40. Y sub 2. Okay, I'm going to erase this. I just need to make sure it's correct by drawing it. Okay, y sub 2 is 40 minus 15. This minus is there. This is 60 minus 80. Okay, so we get, nope, don't put a minus there. Right there. All right. You get 25 over negative 20. Divide both by 5, you get 5 over 4. It's the rate of change. Okay, there's too many of them. You only select 2. I'll select the 2 middle. It's my x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Formula I'd use, rate of change is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, right? You guys are good with this. This one's tend to be a mistake here, negative 15 minus this negative 12. Notice additive inverse. X sub 2 is 16 minus the 12. Okay, this additive inverse here, plus, plus. One negative only, so you subtract, you get 13. The bigger number is negative, it's negative. 16 minus this 12 is 4. Down 13 for every 4. Okay, number 6. Most of you may not know how to do this. On number 6, Angelina spent $18 to purchase an all-day pass for the amusement park to play 8 games. $18 for 8 games. Okay, the dollar is always the cost, so it's always the cost is always y. My other stuff is x. So 8 and 18 is your x1, y1. After playing total 20 games, x2, she realized she spent $24. That's y2. Find the rate of change. Find the rate of change. So this is dollar. And your y, remember it's y over x. Oh no, sorry. It's not dollar. That's 8 games. So x is games. Y is the dollar for $18. So y2 minus y1 sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. 24 minus 18, 20 minus 8. 6 over 12, or 1/2. And it's y over x, and y is dollar, x is games. So what does it mean? $1 for every 2 games. Or 50 cents a game, which is half, right? Manuel saving money from his allowance to buy a new PlayStation. Manuel saved $40 after 3 weeks. So remember, the dollar is always y. So 3 weeks, it's x sub 1, and $40 is y sub 1. After 9 weeks, so 9 weeks, it's x sub 2, and of saving, then you'll save $55. Y sub 2. Why do we do this? It's because it's find the rate of change. And then we have to explain what it means. And it's y, which is dollar, over x, which is weeks. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2 is 55. I'm going to write lower, so y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all the way through. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y2 is the 55 minus y1, which is 40. And then x sub 2 is 9 minus the 3. So you get 15 over 6, which can be divided by 3, which is 5 over 2. And y is on top is the dollar, on bottom is weeks. Manual saving money, so manual is saving $5 every 2 weeks. Okay, find the rate of change of each problem, then find the unit rate if it's different. You just need to find the rate of change, okay? That's all. All right, 1. Can we use 1? Yep, we can use 0. 0 and 45. We can use 0 and 45. That's x sub 1, y sub 1. And we can use 1. We can use 2. Let's use 2. Gives me more room. 1's crowded over the other one. 2 and 35. 35 meters. And this is second. Second. Okay. Your y is your meter. Your x is your seconds. Okay, y sub 2. You need to explain what it means here. Y sub 1. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. 35 and 45 and 2 and 0. You get negative 10 over 2 or negative 5 over 1. What does it mean? Down 5 meters for every 1 second. Number 9. Is number 9 the same? No, it's different. Okay, I want you to practice your negatives here doing additive inverse. I'm going to post this after this one, otherwise it gets too long. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Choose 2. I'm going to choose the first 2. X sub 1, y sub 1. X sub 2, y sub 2. Okay. Y sub 2 is negative 58. Y sub 1 is negative 38. See these two? Additive inverse. And then x sub 2 is 15. X sub 1 is 10. Only 1. So additive inverse plus plus. You end up subtracting because there's only one negative. So you get negative 20 over, subtract 15 minus 10, it's 5. This is negative 4 over 1 because you can divide both of them by 5. Down 4 of something over 1 unit of something. Okay, I'm going to post this. There'll be two links on there for you. So